Hi guys! Welcome to video number 2 of our Financial Literacy Challenge. So on my previous video, I shared some tips on how to understand your income. And in today's video, I will share some steps in setting up your budget. So budgeting is like a map to your financial destinations. It helps you to plan where your money is going and ensures you're spending less than your earn. So, mahirap naman yung mas malaki pa yung expenses mo kaysa sa kinikita mo, di ba? So, una, determine your monthly expenses. So, dito, gumagawa ka ng list for your fixed and variable expenses. Ano-ano yun? Sa fixed expenses, ito yung mga rent, utilities, transportation, and also insurance is a fixed expenses, ha? While yung variable expenses naman, yung mga food, travel, entertainment, and also shopping. Second, allocate your money. So, based on your expenses, you need to allocate money to each category. Bakit? This will help you to avoid overspending na nagiging cost na din ng pag-underspend mo or nagagalaw mo na yung mga budget na nakalaan sa ibang bagay. Third and last, track your spending. Use a payable monitoring sheet to track your spending or outgoing money. So, this way, you can see saan napupunta yung pera mo. Kung kailangan ba ng adjustment sa budget mo, I have payables monitoring sheet na may share sa inyo. Just register on www.budgetplan101.com and watch my webinars so you can grab the copy of payable monitoring sheet for free. So, setting up a budget takes a bit effort, but it's worth it. Because by having budget, nagkakaroon ka na ng control sa finances mo and you were able to reach your goal in your finances faster. So, watch my video number 3, track your spending. See you!